Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start a new song and set tempo and time signature. This anchors rhythm and feel. Choose 44. 1 kHz, 24-bit for clarity, then load a drum instrument or sample kit so you can audition hits immediately. Once done, arm a MIDI or instrument track and route its output to the loaded drum plugin. Make sure the metronome is on and quantize is set to your working grid. This gets you producing beats right away, not lost in setup. You program short 1 to 4 bar MIDI patterns, starting with kick and snare to lock the pocket, then add hi-hats and percussion. Use velocity, swing, and the humanize function to avoid robotic timing. Subtle timing shifts of 10 to 30 milliseconds create groove. Once patterns feel right, layer complementary samples and apply EQ cuts and transient shaping to create punch and separation. Make sure to save iterations and you arrange by duplicating and evolving your loops into intro, verse, chorus, and a drop, using automation to build energy. In mixing, balance levels, apply bus compression and sidechain the bass to the kick for clarity. Add tasteful reverb and delay for space. Once satisfied, export full mix and separate stems, then test on headphones, monitors, and phone to confirm translation. If something breaks, check for phase issues, clipping, or muted sends, resolve those and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.